Yo guys, what's up? It's Anarchy personified here. In today's video, it's a bit different. We're going to be doing a review of the Ducky 1-2 Mecha Mini Cherry MX switches. We're going to have sound test and then unboxing. So yeah, let's get into it. So it has finally arrived. I bought this from Ceck. Link in description if you want to go on the site. Honestly, fast shipping took 1 day. So this is just me opening the parcel because I just don't know how to. So I'm just cutting it open. This is Mecha Mini. I bought it for £100. It was £25 off, so I found that pretty sick. So this is the parcel. This is what came inside. So you've got, I don't know what it were. It is your receipt. And I also came with 2 vouchers for beer and wine. So you know, I'm gonna have a good time. So getting to it, this is the Mecha Mini casing or packaging that comes in. Quite nice golden purple theme to it. I really like it. So starting off, we got the user manual. Keep it, you'll need it. It's got all your settings so you can control your macro, activation keys, etc. This is a warranty card. So if it gets damaged, broken, or something's wrong, then you got that. So now coming on to the main thing, I was trying to open where the charger is. You'll see that in a second. So coming to the main thing, it is in a sleeve and also in a little plastic container, which I'm guessing is to stop the dust, so it's all nice and no scratches or damages. So it is sleek. It is so nice and minimal. It's quite small and compact, and honestly, it's awesome. So I'll put that to the side to go route through. That's just some things, don't really know what it is, but just bits and bobs. Now coming to the wire, I don't know if I'm going to upgrade this wire, I'm not sure, but these are the keycaps that you get. So they give you random ones depending, so it's quite different. That's a key puller too. So I got the blue ones, which is very nice, and also you get different brands. So I got the Year of the Pig edition, which you can see. That's what I currently have on my keyboard. And yeah, so I'm putting everything back to keep, just in case, safekeeping, just in case if I need to return it or anything. So I'll have the packaging. So this is quite heavy. It's aluminium casing and it's really, really heavy. And do you know what? It's a lot heavier than I thought, but amazing when it's on your desk. I'm just messing around with it because I've never had a mechanical keyboard before, so I'm just testing. And then I'm taking out the space bar to replace it. You know, gotta struggle. You gotta struggle with something, you always find a problem, but managed to do it in the end. And yeah, so this is the overview of it. I took one of the caps out to show you. It is a red Cherry MX switch. Honestly, you'll see the click in a second, but it's quite nice. I like the look of it. 6% compact, yeah. So yeah, that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed my review. This is the first time I'm ever doing it. I'm getting a Model D soon, so yeah, can't wait for that. And thanks for watching till the end. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.